Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make pepper chicken. I have taken 750 grams chicken. So first of all I will marinate this. If you are new to my channel, if you are watching for the first time, please like, share, subscribe. So while making the recipe, I will show you all the ingredients. This is 750 grams chicken. All I will put some saffron, put some chili powder, about 1 spoon, small spoon chili powder, about 1 spoon jeera powder, and put some salt. Mix it well. Now I will keep this for 10 minutes aside. Now to make the pepper chicken, I will, with this size, I have taken 1.5 spoon black pepper. One spoon jeera, and 1 spoon soap. I'll broil all this together and make this into a powder. This is broiled up. Now I'll make this into a powder. I've cut up about 4 to 5 medium sized onions. Like this I have sliced it. So I will put this in the pepper chicken. So come on, let us start the recipe. Put some mustard oil. I make all my curries in mustard oil. I have cut up some garlic. You can see it's all cut up. I will put this in now. Put 2 green chilies. Put some jeera. And put in the onions. The onions are almost turned half brown. Now I will add little more salt because I have added salt in the chicken while marinating it. So I will put little bit salt. Now I will put the marinated chicken. I will put in the ginger garlic paste also. I will add 2 chopped tomatoes. I will let the ginger garlic and the tomatoes fry up in this with the chicken. I'll cover it up. The ginger, garlic, tomatoes, everything is fried up with the chicken. The chicken is half cooked now, so I will add some warm water to it. Not much water, little bit, till the chicken cooks tender. Little bit warm water I'm adding. Let the chicken cook in this now till the water dries. So I will cover this again. The chicken is cooked. It's cooked up nicely. Now add some of the powder which I have made with the black pepper, jeera and some soap. So I will put this now. Mix it well. Add some coriander leaves too. Pepper chicken is ready. You can see it's looking very tasty and delicious. Thank you for watching my video.